Hi all, my name is Ratnakishore. Welcome to my Kosh YouTube channel. So data science is all about extracting knowledge from the data. The first step in the data science project is acquiring the data from different sources. The source of the data may be a database, or it may be internet, or it may be a flat file as well. Now onwards I will consider few videos to explain you how to get data from the different sources into our application. So in this first video I show you how you can get the data from the text files by using the Python into our application. Let's start the topic. Python is having a built-in function open to create a Python file object. This file object serves as a pointer to a file residing on the disk. This open function takes two string arguments. The first string argument is the file name. The second string argument is the mode of accessing. We can consider the access mode as R in order to open the file in the read mode. In order to open the file in the write mode, the access mode string must be W. In order to open the file in the append mode, the access mode string must be A. Now we will look at various methods associated with a file object. First one is a read method, which reads the entire text in a file as a single string. Next one is read method with a single argument. That argument is nothing but the number of bytes. By using this read method with number of bytes as an argument, we can read the first n bytes of the given file as a string. And the next method we have read line, which can be used to read the next line in the file as a string. We have read lines method to read all the lines as a list of strings. And then we have a write method to write a string into a file. And also we have write lines method to write a list of strings into a file. And finally we have a close method to close the file object. Now I will show how to read the entire text in the file as a single string. Now I am in my directory RK, where I have only one text file, students.txt. If I open the text file by using the notepad, I can find only 3 lines in it. And the first line is having the student 1, department ECE and the percentage 65.7. In the same way, second line and third line is also having the information about remaining 2 students. Now I am creating a Python file ex1.py by using the notepad. Now I am opening the students.txt file in a read mode with the help of open function, which returns the file object fp. And then I am using the read function to read the entire text available in the students.txt file into a string variable data. And then I am using a print function to display the string present in the data variable, and then I am closing the file object. Now if I run this Python script, then we will get the entire text present in that students.txt file on the monitor. Now I am going to access this text in the file line by line. For that I am considering a new script file ex2.py. Now I am opening the file students.txt in the read mode, where the file object is fp, and then I am running a for loop where the for loop variable is line. In the for loop I am displaying a string available with variable line. After the termination of the for loop, I am closing the file object. So after running this particular Python script, I got each line in the given file separately, and also you can observe another empty line after each line. That is because of the print function we have used in the script. Now I will show how we can write some text into a file. For that I am considering a source file ex3.py. Now I am taking a string with 2 new line characters in it into a variable data, and then I am opening a file output.txt in the write mode. since this file is not existing already, then a new file will be created with a name output.txt that will be opened in the write mode. Here the file object is fp, and then I am writing the text which is available with a variable data into the output.text file by using the write method. After that I am closing the file object by using the close method. So after executing this ex3.py, we got a new file output.txt in our folder. So that is containing 3 lines of text in it, line 1, line 2, line 3, as we mentioned in the variable data. Now I am going to convert the entire text available in a file to the uppercase by using a new Python script ex4.py. First I am using the open function with output_new.txt as the first argument. Since this text file is not available, a new file will be created with a name output_new.txt in the append mode, and then I am using with keyword, and then I am opening output.txt file in the read mode, which is already available, where the file object for this output.txt file is f5. After opening that text file, I am running a for loop to access each line in the output.txt file. After that I am using write method with fo object with an input argument line.upper method. That upper method converts each line in the output.text file into the uppercase and writes that line into the output new.txt. And then I am closing fo file object. Here no need to close f5 file object since it is opened with open method. After running this ex4.py, we got a new file in the directory, that is output_new.text, which is having the same text available with output.txt file in the uppercase.